Moments of Adventure!
Moments of Adventure!
Welcome everybody to Moments of Adventure. I am Dale, this is Leanna, and we have 1,000 subscribers! Yes!
I honestly can't believe it. I didn't think this day would happen. But here we are! We're professionals now! You guys, we are professional YouTubers.
So thank you to all our followers. I appreciate it. We appreciate it.
What's our new goal?
Oh, 100,000.
Okay.
100,000 subscribers by the end of the year.
Let's maybe start, I don't know. Let's maybe start with 10.
Alrighty, 10,000.
Okay.
10,000 subscribers.
I don't know what happens at 10,000, but seems like a good goal to have.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Hey, we are proud of what we've done so far, and thank you for those of you who have subscribed. We are sitting here in our front yard, actually. We just got the camper out after having it stored for a little bit, and we have 2 to 3 feet of snow around us. The only thing I've been using the side-by-side for is to plow snow in the driveway. That is it.
We're over the snow.
We're over the snow. It's cold.
We are jonesing to get out and start our adventures for 2024, which we are going to do shortly. So hang tight with us because we'll have some new videos out soon. To thank you guys, we have put together a highlight reel of some of our best riding videos that we have done so far on YouTube, and we hope you like it. If you want to see the full videos of those, we're going to put them in the description below so you can check out the full videos if you want to. We've got some great videos from Utah, Colorado, Oklahoma, and South Dakota. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And stick around for some more videos.
We're gonna get dirty.
Hey, Dale, do you want to just slide right by here real quick and go first?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I was gonna go.
No, I'm kidding. It was a joke.
You're gonna look at this and be very sad that you.
Boy.
Because I'm the expert.
I don't know. This may be a blonde moment for myself, but turkeys fly.
Boom! Welcome to our channel, everybody. We are This is Leanna, and I'm Dale.
You gotta start.
What?
Oh, you're louder than I anticipated, so I literally
Oh
jumped.
my goodness. Well,
And then I got the giggles. Okay.
You say we talk too loud. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to our channel. You're laughing.
Because you're always like, hey, whatever.
We're supposed to be professionals now.
We aren't getting paid. Oh, I was so confused. I was so confused because we were doing 1,000 and you're like, here's. I'm like, wait, we only have 1,000.
You said what was our next goal? Yeah, but here's to 10,000 on our goal.
Okay, go.